I thought it was, but it just says detangling brush Annie. And it ain't okay, would you tell us that you're okay? R.I.P. Mike. My big chop haul. What's my big chop haul? This is my first haul since cutting my hair. I cut my hair yesterday. This is a big haul, a very expensive haul. It hit the pockets haul. Okay, but it's because I need all these things. Combs. I don't got no damn combs. And y'all, I did a little bit of research, but I don't know, you guys. Like, this is all so new for me. I'm just gonna go over everything real quick. Please feel free to drop down below in the comments. Not be crunching the plant leaves up. Stomping on. Feel free, please, to drop down in the comments what products you guys use. I need help with my quote-unquote TWA, apparently. I was so confused yesterday when I was looking at videos. I'm like, TWA? What is that? I had to Google it. Apparently, it stands for Teeny Weeny Afro. Okay. We have it. So we got this bucket of Eco Styling Gel, and this is the curl and wave kind. This was $14.50 for this bucket, and this is 5 pounds. I just saw that people still using Eco Styler, so I said, I guess we're alright with it then. I also saw this one, which is Extreme Pro Expert Cold. These are both alcohol free. I saw these everywhere. Between looking at pixie cuts and finger waves, those are the two styles that, you know, inspired this decision. This Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. Apparently, this is the way to go, so I'm going to start here. Oh, that Extreme Gel was $5.50, by the way. These were $10.99, and I felt like that sounded decent for as much as I see this, so I just thought it was a deal, and I grabbed two. Probably should have looked that up, but then we got a lady do-rag. I said, what the hell? Pretty much just a do-rag, but it got a bun on the back, a fake little bun. I said, okay, that'll work out some days. I can do me a little bun, fabric bun. This is what I believe is what they call a Denman brush. I thought it was, but it just says detangling brush Annie. And it ain't okay, would you tell us that you're okay? R.I.P. Mike. Anyway, this is a 5-row detangling brush. These are styling picks, so they're like picks with a little curve in them. $2.50 for a 3-pack. This is a sleek, smooth your style with me smoothing brush. This is $3.49. This is barber comb, and it has the different size teeth on it, which I saw in one video. Apparently that's a good thing to have. And then also this, the wide teeth big comb, just big ass brake comb. Then of course we have a new edge control brush. This big. This sleeve is like, why is the sleeve this big? I don't know. It also has the like rat tail thing and the little comb. The bag number 2 doesn't get any less interesting. Okay. Bag number 2 still lit. It's good. Start off strong. We got a flat iron. Wow. I cannot believe I'm going back to using a flat iron. I don't know if I thought I'd ever see this thing. This is the Red by Kiss 0.5 inch, half an inch ceramic tourmaline professional flat iron temperature control, 450 max. Then I'm gonna have to find that creator's name, so check the comment section. I pretty much took so many of the things that she said in her video, and I did a little research too, but this is also Nairobi. Apparently most of their products are great. This is the Gleam Conditioning Sheen Spray. We're not using that pink no more, I guess. But there were so many old nostalgic things that I wanted to buy today just to buy, like the Blue Magic, of course. I saw the Pump It Up spray, and I said, the smell, give me a good whiff of that Pump It Up right now. That right there would take me back. But anyway, we got this Deluxe Foam Mesh Wrap. I just got this for the days that I use these, and these are those little, like finishing, I think they call them finishing papers. Oh, are these the ones I was supposed to? This is not what I was supposed to do. Not what I was supposed to do. And you know, I had the right ones in my hand too. I wanted those things that stretch and you wrap around your head, like before you sit under the dryer after you put foam mousse or something on it. I done got some damn sheets of receipt paper. What are these? End papers. It's like some joint papers. What is this? Y'all, I had such a tough time finding shampoo and conditioner. I went in there with the intention of getting Design Essentials, I believe it's called, but they had a very slim selection and they did not have what I was looking for. So I went and got Carol's Daughter. I hope it's a good brand. This is the Black Vanilla Luscious Moisture Shampoo. It says for dry, dull, and brittle hair. And then this is a Cocoa Cream Curl Quenching Conditioner for very dry, curly to coily hair. And I struggle so much with these because I'm like, do I get these? Because my hair is not dry at the top. My locks were so dry. But this is all pretty much new hair, you know, so this hasn't had a chance to be destroyed by my neglect. So I'm like, is this too much? This is the Talia Wahid Sea Cocoa Conditioner Daily Leave-In Conditioner, a spray. Okay, this is the Cream of Nature with argan oil, perfect edges, edge control, and this is a 48-hour extra firm hold. Then this is the Cream of Nature Butter Blend and Flaxseed Double Duty Stretch and Define Pudding for curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair. Interested in this? Oh, I didn't tell you guys the prices. This was $8.49. This was $19.99, and she swore by it. I said, I'm gonna tag it down below, y'all. Tell doctor not me if this ain't good. I was like, no, but she did. She swore by this. She was like, even after hearing how good it was, I didn't even want to spend $20. She said she started out her hair journey and she was buying a bunch of junk, not so good brands, and she said, you know, it ended up messing up her hair. So this edge control was $5.99. This Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream Conditioner was $14.99. The Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Shampoo was $14.99. Does smells really good. It also smells really good. Let's smell this one. Smells very good. Very good. That just made me want to go get me some nice fresh juice. Okay, this is where I got the wave cap. I got me a wave cap. Like what? I got a wave cap. The neon green all waves, 42-inch longest. No, damn well need no 42-inch. But they all said 42-inch longest. This is silky material. This was $1.99. This was a comb that I had bought the other day yesterday to cut my locks off with to help assist. Then this is a Chi 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray. So heat protectant for whenever I use a flat iron on my hair because my hair is not relaxed. I'm not going to get a relaxer. I'm going to keep it natural. Apparently Chi has one of the best ones out there, so I got that. I just saw this pretty scarf. Let me see what it actually looks like. And I grabbed it. Oh, this Chi was $13.99. This scarf. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh, wow. This was $5. So that was pretty much everything I felt like I needed to get myself started on this new pixie cut journey.